Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. On my channel, I love to share tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, and all things homemaking videos. And today kind of is like a hodgepodge of a whole bunch of things. I originally thought this was just going to kind of be like a quick tidy up, and then I was going to fold some laundry and then wipe down the inside of my car and vacuum. Well, that quickly changed and we didn't get to folding the laundry and I didn't get to wiping down my car. I just did it later this night because things got crazy and we ended up having to leave. And that's how this week, well, this last week, it kind of has just been a whirlwind, super busy, and things have just kind of happened really quickly. But we are so excited about the new changes that are going to be happening. So we're going to quickly clean and tidy up, and then I'll share my exciting news with you guys, and then we will go ahead and clean kind of a disaster mess from our busy weekend. But thank you guys all so much for being here. It really means so much that you guys take time out of your day to watch my videos. It just means so much.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. Stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
So I started out by just cleaning the living room, cleaning the kitchen counters, and then I've been noticing that our knives have kind of just been looking gross and they need a good cleaning. So I went ahead and I just cleaned each and every one of the knives, and then I went ahead and cleaned our actual knife block, and that helped it look so much better. So I need to kind of add this into a rotation of doing during my deep clean. But once we get this done, we're going to go ahead and tackle the floors, and then we're going to switch a little laundry, and then we're going to switch to a new day where I am talking to you guys. But on the day that I actually am talking to you guys, I took my gestational diabetes 1 hour test, and I failed it by quite a bit, and I kind of was had a gut feeling that I was going to fail it, just because my pregnancy with Waverly has been completely different than with this pregnancy. And so I just had a feeling that levels would be high. And so I actually go in tomorrow to do the 3-hour blood draw, where I end up having to be fasting from midnight until my test. And then they end up having you do initial blood draws, and then one with the drink and all the other stuff. I don't know all the details exactly, so we'll see if I can pass the 3-hour test. Hopefully I can. I've really been trying to like eat healthy today, and hopefully that will help so that way I can pass it tomorrow, because I really don't want to have to worry about having to track everything. But the doctor did say that most people can just make a few little changes, and that really does make a difference. So hopefully that's the case with me, but if not, we will work through it and it'll be all good. But definitely it's just something that you always hope that you're not going to have, and now that I've tested like higher levels for it and I've seen my numbers, the chances I feel like of me having it, I feel like are pretty high. So we'll just kind of see, knowing though that this pregnancy has been so different than my last pregnancy. I'm not even surprised that I have tested higher, just because I feel like that's how it is. And I know for a lot of people, when they have boys, that kind of just puts them over the edge, and then they almost end up testing like higher levels. So I don't know if that is, but that's kind of just how it is for me. So I will keep you updated on what those results end up being. But we're going to finish switching this laundry, and then I'm going to share our exciting news. Hey everyone, it's definitely been a few days since you last saw my face from the last time I was on here cleaning. The last bit I was getting ready to switch laundry so that way I could get it folded, and then we were going to go out and clean my car, and things just got really busy. I ended up cleaning out my car at like 10:30 at night, just wiping down the front and calling it good. I didn't even vacuum to get my windows tinted, and then I just left the laundry, and there's actually become even more laundry on the couch, so that needs tackled. But the reason why I didn't post a video Friday and things have been so crazy is because we are going to be moving, which is so exciting. If you've been following me for a while, you know that we've been looking for a new home to just rent. Our house is just on the smaller side. There's not a lot of functional storage, which makes it very difficult when you have multiple people living in a home. And so we're really excited. This house just kind of fell into the place the way it needed to, and it definitely needs some work and attention. We're going to be adding a fresh coat of paint on it, doing it slowly here and there. That'll be something that we'll do once we're moved in, but it needs just cleaned up. And part of like how it worked out is we're kind of helping move the old renters' things out, and then they're having somebody come in and do a really good thorough clean with carpet cleaning, because the home does need a really good thorough clean. So I don't know if I'm going to be sharing too much of getting this stuff out, just because we're trying to hurry and get that done, but I think I will share just the initial me going in there and deep cleaning before we get moved in, unless once it like looks clean it seems like it's good. But I have a feeling I'm going to want to go in there and just do like a little bit more of a thorough clean. We'll see how well the cleaners actually do, but be looking forward to a lot of packing and cleaning motivation coming in the next few weeks. We are moving very, very soon, so we're going to be crunching this all into pretty quick, because we want to just be able to get moved in and get settled before baby boy gets here, because that's going to be here before we know it. So we are hopefully going to just get things packed up really quick. I think that I'll be able to get our house packed up pretty quickly, so I don't think that's going to be too terrible. It's going to be mainly making sure our new house is good to go and ready. That's going to be the hardest part, I think, but I think we will get it all straightened up. But I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. Be expecting tons of just room makeovers, organization. It's definitely a bigger house than what we are used to. We are currently in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, and we will be moving into a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Now, I will say there is a basement, and so 2 of the bedrooms and the bathroom is downstairs with the laundry room. So Waverly won't be sleeping down there when we end up having baby boy go into a new room. We will have them share just because I don't want her so far away. So we will be using the majority of the upstairs, and downstairs is going to be more of a storage area and where we will do laundry. I'll keep my elliptical down there. We'll have actually a treadmill probably down there. So I'm really excited to just have that space that we can really have some good storage, and it's going to be so much fun. There's definitely some things that are a little bit smaller about this house, like our kitchen now is a pretty decently sized kitchen, and the new one is a little bit on the small side, and because it is an older home, there's kind of funky storage solutions, but I'm so excited to get creative and get in there and organize and just have a change of scenery. So I hope you guys are ready. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see just more cleaning motivation, moving content, especially if you're somebody who's pregnant while you're moving. It's definitely not the ideal time. Like, I've already have felt so much like chaos go on with just being pregnant and just how much things can wipe you out, but I'm so excited just to be able to have this change, and I think it's going to be so fun. Moving where we are, we'll just be able to do a lot more fun things throughout the summer, Waverly and I. But thank you guys all so much for being here. I am going to now tidy up my house because it's a tornado. I literally cleaned it Friday and I have not touched it since. We've cooked a few meals, we've been in and out, but we really haven't been home. So we have like 2 loads of laundry, dishes everywhere, the sink is full. It just needs a good reset. So we're gonna go ahead and get to more cleaning motivation.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this, the summer night, the summer night, the summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand.
So as you can see, there definitely was just a few things that were getting backed up in our house. The dishes are completely overfilling. I needed to unload the dishwasher and reload it and get that all squared away and just get that actually restarted. We had enough dishes that I just needed to reload the dishwasher. So we're going to get that all cleaned, but I'm so excited that we are finally going to be moving. We are going to be hopefully getting into the moving here soon. Hopefully that will be my next video, is me starting out by just cleaning, like not cleaning, but packing up all of our home decorations and just slowly getting things packed up. I feel like for me, I can pack up a lot of the clothes for myself, because right now I can't fit into all of my pre-pregnancy t-shirts and like a bunch of other things, and so I want to keep them, but I can go ahead and pack those up because I won't need those until after the baby, and then I'll see from there if I can fit into them or if I need to buy just some new ones. So we're going to kind of go from there, but I'm so excited just to get things packed up and have a new fresh slate and just being able to decorate a new space. Just actually having like a closet in our bedroom, and now it's not big enough for both Trajan and I's clothes, but luckily we have enough rooms that Trajan can have his own clothes in his own room if he wants to, or wherever we decide to put it. And Waverly will actually have a closet. Like, there's just so many good things about it that we are just so excited about, but it's definitely going to be a lot of work these next month and a half. Just trying to get settled into the house is going to be quite a bit, but hopefully by the time August comes we can be all settled in, and I can hopefully just get a lot of the nesting done, and where we will already be kind of settled in, hopefully a lot of that will kind of just get done as we're moving. So we'll kind of see, but we are very excited. Of laundry, and now we're moving on into the living room, and I'm just kind of picking up the odd and end things from Father's Day, the stuff we had given Trajan. We had like bags still out from that, and then Waverly actually hasn't been using pull-ups for quite some time, and they've just been in this basket underneath like the bottom shelf of the TV stand, and she had gotten into them and like had been putting them in her shopping cart, and they ended up scattered. So we actually need to probably just find somebody who could use those pull-ups, because we have a whole other thing in her room. It kind of was unexpected that we were gonna actually have her try to not use pull-ups at night, but she's been doing really good. She's really good about waking us up if she needs to go to the bathroom, so we're really glad about that. But we're going to finish folding up these couple of load of laundries that I have, and then that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching today's video. I hope you're able to get tons of cleaning motivation, and be sure subscribed if you want to just see tons of cleaning motivation, home organization, and moving content, because I'm going to be having a ton of that here in the near future, and we will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go.